You hit me with a you up 2 or 4 on a Tuesday. Blue light on your silly pic. Coffee stain on my duvet. Told you that I'd pull up. Hard typing faster than my hand. Watch the bubbles disappear. Guess we're sticking to the plan. I've been moonlight left on red, waiting on a word you never sent. Scrolling through the nights we almost had, laughing at myself, this is sad. I keep moonlight left on red, talking to the ghost inside my head. If you never call, I'll still pretend you're just bad at getting sent. You said we should take it slow, then you took the weekend off. I was out there in your clothes, you were out there getting lost. Friends saying let that go, but they never heard your late night voice. Soft breath through a broken phone, making messes sound like choice. I've been moonlight left on red, waiting on a word you never sent. Scrolling through the nights we almost had, laughing at myself, this is sad. I keep moonlight left on red, talking to the ghost inside my head. If you never call, I'll still pretend you're just bad at getting sent. Maybe you're asleep, maybe you're within, maybe I'm the one reading way to win. Still I like my screen, like a little prayer. If your name pops up, I'll act like I don't care. I've been moonlight left on red, waiting on a word you never said. Scrolling through the nights we almost had, laughing at myself, this is sad. I keep moonlight left on red, talking to the ghost inside my head. If you never call, I'll still pretend you're just bad at hitting send. You hit me with a you up 2 or 4 on a Tuesday. Blue light on your silly pic, coffee stain on my duvet. Told you that I pull up, hard typing faster than my hands. Watch the bubbles disappear, guess we're sticking to the plan. I've been moonlight left on red, waiting on a word you never sent. Scrolling through the nights we almost had, laughing at myself, this is sad. I keep moonlight left on red, talking to the ghost inside my head. If you never call, I'll still pretend you're just bad. You said we should take it slow, then you took the weekend off. I was out there